Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you enjoyed the video. If you don't know what this is, it is a pallet wood Klingon Bat'leth from the Star Trek franchise. And this is my contest submission to the Orelon Miller Woodshop Wooden Weapon Challenge. Basically, the entrants had 2 months to build a weapon of some kind out of wood. The contest closes on April 3rd, so you still have a few days to get something put together if you are interested in participating. I've linked to Orelon's channel below, and I believe he will be posting the winners around April 6th or so. So go subscribe to his channel. Hey, there might also be a familiar face in his Paladin Knight short sword video, which you can check out up here. So, on that note, thank you guys for watching, and if you like what I'm doing here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. If you have any questions or comments, I look forward to reading them in the comment section below. And if you want to see more current projects, you can follow me on Instagram at JohnTheSchreiner. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video, and have a good one.